Hey guys, this is the Fox Project, and we are back with some more how to code in HTML. Really, we're gonna be talking about layouts now. You can just go to the W3 schools and follow along there. However, we are gonna be doing we're gonna basically be kind of copying their style, but you will see soon. And my voice might be a little bit off today because you know, I kind of had a weird waking up session thing. I have to go to school in like an hour, so this video can't be too long. But I have a glass of water to get me started with the day, which is kind of weird because everyone, they use OJ, but I don't know, water also works. Anyways, I'm gonna shut up and we are gonna get started. So let's delete everything. What is it in our styles? Body. Yes, okay. So we're gonna have to center this. For now, let's make our website look like something's going on. So ahref equals about.html about ahref equals test HTML test. Alright, now let's reload our website. Say you have two links over there. Let's actually make it look normal. Alright. We can also do something with the A hover. But I'm gonna do that in another CSS tutorial. Yeah, so over here, you see that we can add our content over here maybe. I'm worried that I sound really stupid, but let me get another sip of my water, man. Over here, let's add our content. So p id equals Jews. Yeah. Today is April 4th, 2015. No, not 4th. What am I talking about? Today's like the 13th. Alright. I am super excited to see, I don't know. Super excited to see all my friends at school. No, I'm not. The ELA state exam for New York State is today. No, not today. Tomorrow. Happy face. That's stupid. See, Jews, because I called the Jews, but let's not call the Jews anymore. We don't need them now. Still same. Alright. Why did I mess up? Why did I do something stupid with this? Why? Alright, here we go. My name is Joshua, which is true. I like computer and engineering. I also like to play all kinds of video games. Ha! Alright, that's kind of really That's really weird. Let's change this. We don't want that anymore. Arial. If you don't, Arial smash the race. Alright. Now let's add something. See over here, we're gonna add all this kind of stuff. But yeah. Also, let's add real quickly. H1. Blog post one. Yeah. Let's just say this was a blog. Yeah. We don't need the P to be centered. Alright. Let's make a new div. Header. Alright, padding. Let's do 5 pixels. Now what padding is going to be a little weird. Padding is the amount of spaces that, what's it called? The amount of spaces away. Alright, let's just zoom in. See over here how we have over, this highlighted text. Padding is the amount of spaces that the text is away from the borderline over that surrounds this. If that makes kind of sense. It's kind of a weird thing to explain. But really it's just the amount of spaces away that the text is away from its border. So let's make the padding 5 pixels. And let's also call this. So this no. How do you call this? Hold on. Div ID. Oh yeah, you have to do the ID. Alright, so we also need to, let's make this actually H2. That makes more sense. H1, my website, div ID equals header. Alright, we can just copy that. Not here. Yes, see that over there? Yeah, padding 5 pixels. And then you call it over here. Yeah. That's awesome. We're next gonna, well, let's just copy and paste this. Hold on. Alright, I know it kind of seems like I'm just copying code, and I kind of am, but, let's just align this up so it doesn't look stupid. Oops. There we go. Alright, see over there? That's my website. Yeah, so awesome. So cool. So, let's go over this a little. Background color. It sets it to black. We can change that. Let's change it to, let's say, blue, because we're awesome. See, it changes it to blue now. White is the text color. See how that's white. And see what I was talking about? 5 pixels. It's 5 pixels away from up to down. And if you were to fill this whole space out, it would also be 5 pixels from the right and left. But we can also do padding. Padding left 5 pixels. And see how it changes only the height? That's because we didn't specify the height and how far away it will be, and how far away it will be from the top of the top of the border. We can change this. Let's change it to from the bottom. Padding bottom can be 3 pixels maybe, because they're cool like that. Padding top can be 5 pixels because we're amazing. Alright, see how this looks a little bit more than this? That's kind of more of a space. If that looks like... Well, we can just use a greater number. Wait, hold on. Is that one? Alright, hold on. Padding top. I guess if we get rid of this, maybe. No. Okay, well. I think there's a limit. Is there? Yes, you can, then again, it's going by 1 pixel, so it's not gonna, let's do 40 pixels. Yeah, see, that will make a big difference, but, we're gonna use 5 pixels, because it's so hip. We're awesome. Text alignment, it's just saying, alright, the text is gonna be centered. We don't have to have it centered, but I guess it's good if it's gonna be in a banner. Can also, let's add our link in there too. Our CSS link thing. Let's change our banner thing to black. Yeah, so like how most nav bars are. Well, actually, no. What am I doing? We want to change this a bit. We don't want this to be in here. Oops, no. I cannot think today. Okay, here we go. That is kind of normal now. Alright, our next thing we're going to want to make is the, Nav Bar. Alright, hold on. Nav Bar. Yeah, line. Alright, you know what, let's just copy this. So, what you're going to type is, if you're not looking at the, W3H, is you're going to want to type in line height, hyphen, that's what the little thing there is called, a little minus sign on your keyboard. The hyphen. So line hyphen height, 30 pixels. Oh, and background color, whatever you want it to be. See, so we can change this. We don't have to be completely dependent on them. We can get our own kind of cool color, like red. Height, 300 pixels. And yeah, that kind of stuff. Hold on. I just want to make sure that this actually div ID equals nav bar. Need to make sure. Alright, see how it goes there? Yeah, that shouldn't happen. Hold on. Alright, we need to add a break tag, but we're not going to do that now. Float left. I think if we get rid of that, we can change that. Oh, never mind. Width. Let's do 95%. 95. Alright, you know what? 100%. Yeah. Height will be 100 pixels. No, it should be like 10 pixels. Whoops. 30 pixels maybe? 45. Perfect. We can also add the padding. top 5 pixels. 10 pixels. Okay, hold on. 50 pixels, nothing. Alright. Get rid of that. Alright, so see the height here, yeah. What we're doing is we're drawing a line here, a line height. So over, like, this is the line. Background color. You can set that to whatever you want. Height, 45 pixels. So that's just saying like the height of this line here. Width, you can set that to 100%. 100% is just saying, oh shit, that actually wouldn't be good. Can we just get rid of this? And can we get rid of the float and it'll be normal? Yeah, alright, if we just get rid of the float, it will be normal. Float, let's go over that real quickly. Float, let's just make a new, no, let's go back to, no, we're already using Jews. Let's make an animal. I don't know, that's the first thing that came into my head. Float left, and I actually have to go soon. Float left, PID equals animal. Alright. Animals. Alright. Float left means that it will be on the left. It's kind of like text alignment in a way. Float right will mean that it's on the right, as that's really all that float does. You don't really need to worry about that. You can just use text alignment, but sometimes, but then again, float. Remember how over here in our list, what was that? I remember over here in our list how we only got the text alignment. Well, we can also just quickly get the get it to be float, get it to float. So that's kind of useful. Float right, yeah. So let's see over here. Let's quickly, because I'm running out of time. OL ID equals OL style 1, LI data 1. Alright. No, data 1, 2, and 3. Alright, see, now it's on the, all of this is on the right. We can center this too. See over here. Initial is I think that's the starting position that it would be. None. That's nothing. Alright, so I don't think you can center this. But yeah, really float is just where it's gonna be. Yeah, so we don't really need that. OL. Let's get rid of that. Alright, so the nav bar, that's looking good. Next thing, what are we gonna make? A section. Alright, section. Copy and paste that. Align that properly. You don't have to align. It's just a good thing to organize your code when you're looking back later. Padding, section. I'm gonna guess where section goes. Div class equals section. Oh, no, we didn't make a class. Div ID equals section. Yeah, there we go. And over here is our end of the section. That should organize that. I don't know why it's not. That corresponds with that div. Oh yeah, it worked. Yeah. Float. You don't need to have it floating. But see how there's a little quick border, so we can make a background. And you can kind of tell that there's a little bit of a border between this blog post and that. So if we kind of make a background color red, not red. What color? Gold. Sounds promising. See, our padding is 10 pixels. Yeah, kind of makes sense a little. I know it doesn't. Width. You don't have to have a width. See, these are the 3 major components of the website. Last thing I want to review, hopefully I can get this. Really, it's just setting padding. Alright, padding will be 10 pixels, background, gold. Okay, got you. Footer. The footer's the last thing I want to go over. I know I'm not really going over this, but I'm not going to give you a full explanation on how this works, because I think you guys got this. Alright. Let's call the footer right here. Div ID equals footer. This is usually the footer of the website, so like copyright. We can also add the copyright sign, or I think there's another way. Hold on. How to add copyright symbol in HTML. There's a list of different tags. Yeah, right. This is the namespace. This is going to be useful when we go into Bootstrap. I'll tell you why later. Copyright. Here we go. Oh, that's it. And percent copy. Alright. 2000. Copyright Jesnia. Alright, that should be that. Copyright Jesnia 2015. Alright, see? That's those are the major components of our website. My website, this is the banner, Nav Bar, our container, sort of like our why did I say that? More like our content, and this is our footer. So I hope you guys learned something. Comment, rate, and subscribe what you think, and I'll be back in our next episode. In our next episode, we should be going into Bootstrap, or at least finishing up our CSS. So thank you for watching.